welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. I'm so happy to have you here. On this channel, I cover all things glam and fabulous, from product reviews to skincare routines and everything in between. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and join the doll collection. Clearly, we're all here because we love a really good beauty find. And I was in Dollar Tree the other day and I found some products that I was super surprised that was there. Clearly we don't find expensive serums over at Dollar Tree, but I did, girl, I did. And these serums are so good. They are filled with so much stuff. The brand is called Creme De Skin Nutritions. So I'm going to talk to you about this little bottle first. It's the Hyaluronic Acid 1% in Vitamin C Serum. It's supposed to help with hydration, radiant skin, and antioxidant. And as soon as I took it home, the first thing that I did was check the ingredients label in the bag, and it's so good. Not only does it really have hyaluronic acid, but it does have vitamin C plus some secret ingredients, which I don't know why they wouldn't even put it on the front label, because unless you read the ingredients, you don't know what they do. Hyaluronic acid has a ton of benefits. We all know it because it retains a lot of moisture and it promotes supple skin. So 1 gram of hyaluronic acid has the ability to take, I think, 6 liters of liquids of water, so it has a ton of capacity to hold and retain moisture. But not only that, it helps with signs of aging, and it helps by absorbing it all really fast. So you don't need a lot of time for it to like really absorb into your skin. It just does it instantly. So we all know vitamin C because it helps even out and brighten skin tone, but not only that, it also helps with wrinkles, it helps with sun damage, and it helps to promote and protect collagen production on your skin. And when I read on the ingredients, it contains vitamin B5 and vitamin B3, which we know as niacinamide. And niacinamide is the best thing to happen to your skin because it has over 10 benefits. It not only helps treat acne, but it minimizes pores, minimizes fine lines, helps with oily skin. It helps with pollution, like exterior pollution, so it's like a really good antioxidant. It also helps treat hyperpigmentation, helps with treating redness, and it retains a lot of moisture. So all that helps with keeping up with the keratin in your skin, keeping that nice barrier to protect and heal your skin. In addition to that, it also has humectants like glycerin, which help retain moisture. So this is like a moisture bomb in a serum. Like that's what you're really looking for, especially when you have dry skin. Like this is like the perfect little bottle. It also helps with SPF protection, and it even has vitamin E. But the one thing that I don't like about this product is that it contains mica, and mica is like a microground mineral that in turn creates like what we see in lip glosses, that adds that shimmer, that color, which is pretty safe, but when you're using it on your skin, it clogs your pores and it can aggravate acne. So, you know, when you're using it in a serum like that, they kind of add this kind of like as a filler to kind of make the illusion that you have a brighter skin tone, because it's more of like a little micro shimmer in the serum that we have here, but it's really not needed. So I don't know why they would put something in there like that. That's the only negative that I have about this bottle, but for everything that it brings for $1, this is the real deal. I also have this one, which is the double strength Retinol Night Repair Serum for flawless, younger, more perfect skin. And if you loved everything that was in the first bottle, you're getting all the benefits in this bottle too, because it has everything. Like I'll literally show you the ingredients side by side so you can see there's a couple of plus or minuses that are in this bottle that aren't in that one, or aren't in that one and are in this one, but you're still getting really good stuff. This bottle uses retinol palmitate, which interacts with the skin enzymes to create retinoic acid. So we all know that retinol is the main ingredient to help reduce wrinkles. And girl, if you were born in the 90s, I'm telling you, it is time to get on retinol. Like, it makes me so sad. But it also has a ton of great benefits, like brightening your skin, controlling oily skin. Why did I just say that? And it reduces and minimizes breakouts and acne. So that's something I didn't know, and I kind of noticed it. I've been using it for a couple weeks on and off, but it's done really good for my skin. I'm doing this video and I don't have any makeup on, and my T-zone isn't as oily as it would be. But there is one really bad thing with this bottle, and one of the ingredients, I don't even know why they added it into this bottle, because it was doing so good up until I read this in the ingredients, and I'll tell you right now once I find it. It has polysorbate 20. And polysorbate 20 is carcinogenic. It's linked to developmental and reproductive toxicity. So that's something you don't need and you don't want to find in a skincare product because it wreaks havoc on your body. So this is like a really big no-no for me. So I'm really disappointed. It's one of the, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's the 4th ingredient on the ingredients list. So if you know how to read the ingredients label, the first ingredient that you read is the one that's used the most. That's the most of it in this bottle, and this is the 4th one. So there's a really high concentration of it, which is like bums me out because it was doing so good because you're getting the benefits of the other bottle and this one, and I don't know. So like I mentioned before, I found this at Dollar Tree. They're $1 each because everything at Dollar Tree is $1, and I freaking love Dollar Tree. Love it. But if you want to go find it because you don't have a Dollar Tree near your home, you can definitely order it online. Right now, it's back ordered, so I would just add your name on that list, place an order, and see if you can get some. Other places online sell them. I know I've seen it on Amazon for $6. Walmart sells it for $12. So there's a lot of variation in price. So definitely, if you want to try this product, go to dollartree.com or your nearest store. But we all know that Dollar Tree kind of like moves their products a lot, so there's nothing that stays there consistently. Overall, I couldn't find anything on the brand, the Skin Creme De Nutrition. So there's really not much I found about it. I was trying to look to see if they had other products because these products work so well for me and I really loved what it did. But I didn't see anything. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Overall, the online beauty community loves it and they rave about it. So it is a pretty strong and potent serum for what you're getting and what you're paying for. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried this product before, you're gonna try it after this review. I really want to know your thoughts because I was kind of on the edge when I first saw it at Dollar Tree, but I really like it. I give it a thumbs up and I might consider buying it again, but definitely I'm not gonna buy the retinol one. The overnight serum, I think because of that carcinogenic ingredient, I'm just gonna pass on it. But the daytime serum, I will, because it looks really good, with the exception that it has mica. Click the subscribe button down below where I cover all things glam and fabulous, and you'll be able to join the dog collection. Go ahead and check out one of my other videos, and I'll see you there.